Welcome to another Deriv tutorial video. Today, we'll show you how to withdraw funds from your Deriv account using Ozow. To begin, log into your Deriv account. From Traders Hub, navigate to the Cashier section. Then select the Withdrawal tab. Click Send Email. After initiating a withdrawal, ensure the security of the transaction by verifying the request through email. You'll be taken to the Deriv Cashier Withdrawal tab, where you'll see all the available withdrawal methods. Enter the amount that you'd like to withdraw and select Ozow. Enter your Ozow account details. Click Back if you need to make any changes. Review the details, and if you are satisfied, click here to continue. Insert comments or instructions and click Request Payout. The next page shows your withdrawal request details and confirms that we have received your request. This doesn't mean that the withdrawal is complete. Click Review Pending Payout Request to view the transaction status. You'll get an email confirming we've received your withdrawal request, and another email that confirms the withdrawal is successful. It usually takes around 1 to 5 working days for the funds to show up in your bank account. If you wish to change your fiat account currency, contact us on live chat. To learn more about our other payment methods, visit the Payment Methods page. If your withdrawal does not appear within the processing time, contact us via live chat and have your transaction details ready. This will help us to resolve any potential issues. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. For more information on Deriv's products and services, head to www.deriv.com. Thank you for watching.